Hey guys and girls, it's Julia with Wig Review Central. We're going to take a look at the Paula Young Cascading Curls Clip-On Hairpiece. It clips on with a butterfly clip. It measures 13.5 inches at the shortest layer, and then it's 21 inches long. I love these quick add-ons because you can add length, volume, texture to your hair quickly and easily. For best results, you'll want to pull your hair back just in a standard ponytail. I always like to use bands that do not pull out the hair. I would definitely not recommend rubber bands because they'll pull your hair out. Once you have your hair in just a standard ponytail, you'll take the hairpiece, give it a shake and comb it out a little bit, open the butterfly clip and clip it onto the base of your ponytail. You're done. It's quick, easy, and perfect for formal occasions, vacations, hot weather. I love these instant add-on hair pieces. If you visit the Paula Young website and look up the Cascading Curls Clip-On Hairpiece, you'll see that this hairpiece has 4.5-star reviews. Hundreds. This is a very popular hairpiece from Paula Young. A lot of the women on the reviews will post pictures of themselves, and many wear this piece almost at the top of their head. They'll pull their hair up to the crown and actually have a very high crown ponytail. I'm going to try to do that for you now to show you what I'm talking about. So you want to grab your hairpiece and clip it to the base of your ponytail. Many ladies will wear it high, almost like a top ponytail. And this is what it looks like. Lots of beautiful, bouncy curls, length, instantly. My hair is thin. It's also baby fine. This hairpiece weighs 2.7 ounces, which is quite heavy for my thin little ponytail to hold up that kind of weight. However, I have worn this, and I've worn it out doing errands, running around the house, doing some house cleaning, and it has not fallen off. It has not hurt me in any way. So it is possible, even if you have baby fine hair, to wear this hairpiece. The Kanekalon fiber is regular synthetic. It is not heat friendly. It is very easy to care for. There's really nothing more that you need to do other than run your fingers through it or take a wide tooth comb just to loosen the curls when you receive this hairpiece. You can wash it as needed. I don't like to wash mine very often because it does take a toll on the fiber. You can make your wigs last longer if you're very gentle with them. Let's talk about this color. This color that I'm wearing is 14/88A, Golden Wheat. Now this color is warm. It is a honey blonde with pale golden blonde highlights. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. I will leave a link in the video description box under the video where you can click and shop on paulayoung.com. You can choose from a variety of colors, and hopefully you will get this on sale, as Paula Young likes to run a lot of sales, so be sure to sign up for the email list so when they have a sale, you're the first to know. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.